Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Unmasked. Today, we're going to talk about a drywall hoist that I got a sweet deal on. You're going to see me use this drywall hoist, but I'm going to tell you there are different methods for installing drywall. I did not do it a conventional way for the hoist because I was testing it out. I actually I raised and installed the top panel first, which most people don't do that. Most people install the ceiling panel and then the side panels, and they start from the bottom and work their way up to the top. In some cases, they'll do the side panels first and then do the top last. It just depends on where you are. In my district, they didn't care which way it was, so I did the side panel first because I wanted to test out the hoist, and I'll show that to you.
I'm going to put it all together and show you. I got this thing, usually it's like 250 bucks brand new, which is just crazy. I got this for 75 bucks. Woo! This will be the first time I build this thing on my own. Oh, and this thing right here is super heavy. It came with the instructions, but they're kind of having a rough time holding up. Oh man, I really did hurt my back. Which is a good reason I have this little lift. Alright, so that's in place. This little thing locks it in place, so that's locked. This goes on top of here. It says 150-pound drywall panel hoist. It says a drywall hoist. Got these little catches. They're like this, and down there it's got a little piece that it slides over the top of. So it's like this, a little corner piece, a little like a triangle, and it slides over the top of another piece that's down there, kind of like this. There we go. Whew, that was easy enough. Then we take this here little booger. Oi! And it's kind of come undone a little bit, but that's okay. That comes over here. There we go. Look at that. Huh? That's pretty neat. And then we, if I want to put in drywall on here, I can extend these little boogers out. Put up these little things right here. There we go. Whoop! Gotta get a little catch. There we go. That snaps in. If I want to move it, I can go like this. And you see it'll hold up the drywall on those little things, and I can put this little piece in, and that'll lock it in place for me. And go down to there. So I'll probably put the drywall in at this setting. There we go, now it's all the way through. And then when I want to put it up to the ceiling, I'll just take that piece out like that, go up like that. There we go. And then let's see if I can get this to work. Whew. There we go. This thing comes out, which kind of makes sense because, you know, let's see. Bring the sucker out, and then there we go. See, this little piece right here turns, locks this in place. Rotate the cradle arm so the support hooks are on the opposite side of the telescoping arm from the winch wheel. Okay, so that'd be on that side. Alright, well it sounds like I just need to not be a pansy and just do it. Alright, here goes nothing. Whoa! Alright. Something was holding it in place. Don't know what that was, but it's so much easier to turn now. I think the paint of this little piece here, you can't see it, but the paint of this piece here, I think, was stuck to here. I don't think this thing has ever been raised. Ever, because this paint is kind of stuck there. I don't think he ever raised the sucker up, which is probably why he told me to watch that break. Let's see. Huh. See here, I got full control of the drywall if I had one on there. go. Boy, I like that. I like that. Okay, let's see how it comes down. Let's see. We got it says to unlock before lowering. All right. So that's what I did. I've unlocked it. Let's go ahead and pull up on this lever. And we just say, come on down to the Price is Right. I am Bob, by the way. And there we go. Boy, that's easier than it looks. Just breaking that first little seal was quite an ordeal, but this here's my new toy. Woo-wee! It's my first time using this thing. And unfortunately, this is as low as that thing goes. There you go. That's pretty easy. There we go. And you gotta save your scraps, especially when you first start. Alright, that looks pretty good. That gives me room for the next one to go up against there. I use a new tool. I got this on OfferUp for 45 bucks. This thing usually goes for about 150, but it is pretty sweet. I have it on automatic, so as soon as I pull the trigger, it doesn't go unless it feels the pressure up here. So once I put the pressure in, I pull the trigger, it goes in. Done. Boom. It's got a magnetic bit holder. Like this, and boom! It's in. Boom! This is great. Now, I've got a doorway right there. I'm going to cut that out from the back side. I'm not going to cut it out right now. I'm going to cut it out when it's all up. I can see here are my studs. And just kind of come across the bottom here. Boom! Okay, so it should have a little dimple, so I'm going to back this off a little bit. And I did do some test screws before I started using this. So I'm going to do another one. Let's see how's that doing. That's holding it up right there. Boom. So it's no longer on that. Well, it's still on the little hook thing a little bit. I'm going to go to the other side, give it a couple, and then I'm going to lower that hoist. Boom. Perfect dimple too. Now I got the bottom edge done. Usually it's 12 inches on the center, 6 inches on the edge. At least that's what I was taught. It's about like that. I probably need to go in more. There we go. You gotta have a little dimple so when you do the mud, you don't have screws showing. There we go, good little dimple. And this thing has a little edge right here that actually creates a really good dimple. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Alright, that's it. That's enough for me to take this off. Here we go. So this is all done. Move it away. And then I can get on with the next one. That is really cool.
hope you really enjoyed that. The hoist was a jewel to use, and if you need something to help you out, probably a pretty good device to have. Anyway, if you have any questions about the hoist, ask down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.